Tomica Nissan Note Aura. The Tomica Nissan Note Aura was released in 2025. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is dark Tosca green, and it has black 1H wheels. On the front it has headlights, Nissan logo, and white license plate. On the back it has Nissan, Aura, and e-Power badge, and taillights. Dark smoke window tint and black roof. Black plastic base. Tomica Disney Cars, Guido. The Tomica Disney Cars Guido was released in March 2009. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The toy includes the main figure of Guido, standard type. It is based on a character from the Disney movie Cars. Black plastic base. Tomica Toyota Prius PHEV-GR Sport. The Tomica Toyota Prius PHEV-GR Sport was released May 19, 2018 and retired May 2020. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is white, and it has 1K wheels. On the front it has headlights, Toyota logo, and GR badge. On the side it has black trim. On the back it has tail lights, Toyota logo, Prius PHV, plug-in hybrid, and GR badge. Dark smoke window tint. Black plastic base. The trunk can be opened. Tomica Premium Lamborghini Countach LP 500S. The Tomica Lamborghini Countach LP 500S was released October 17, 2015. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is blue, and it has detailed wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights, Lamborghini logo, and Walter Wolf logo. On the side it has silver stripe and black trim. On the back it has Walter Wolf logo and detailed taillights. Clear window tint and detailed roof trim. Black plastic base.
Guido.